guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a weird angle, but you're gonna have to work with it for today. So, disclaimer, this is only a skit, but yeah. Okay, so this is only a skit, so it's not real. That's the disclaimer. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I ordered was a medium purple slime. So I ordered a medium purple glittery slime. So I'm going to reach in the bag and see if I get that. Let's see if this is... Oh, it's in a box. I'll just grab it. Okay, well, this must be my purple glittery slime. But this isn't a medium, this was actually a small. Oh, there's a cute rock in it. So this rock is actually really cute. I really like how it's like soft and kind of reminds me of like a marble texture. Okay, so I can see that this is already played with, but okay, first of all, it's hard. And I can't even put it back together. And the bad thing is, look at my hands now. They have all purple sparkles. Okay, that one is terrible, but that's only one of them, so that is okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Ooh, this could be my large one. Okay, so guys, this is my large one. This is my large slime. This is Noise Putty. And it says that it's from Target on the bottom. So she didn't even make it. Okay, well, I was supposed to have a green fluffy slime, so this better be fluffy. If it's not, I'm going to have a hissy fit. So this looks like it was already played with, but it's very glossy. It smells terrible. Oh. And I told her that I wanted it scented like apples. So, yeah. Okay, first of all, this is more like a jiggly slime than if it were to be any slime, but this isn't really even a slime. This is like putty, like jiggly slimy putty, and it like comes off easily, and I'm getting all the purple sparkles in it, and it like rips super easily, but it goes back together pretty well, I guess. Not really though. And in order to poke it, you need to like actually like go like this. Poke it. Okay, now it better make toot noises, and if it doesn't, that is weird. Okay, well, I'll put this away. Well, there was only two. These are my two that I got already. This one's bad, and this one is the one I wanted. Maybe this one was an extra. I only feel two in the box. Oh, let's go for this one. So this one, why is it in the ball? And why is it hard? Oh, I wanted all of mine to be scented, and like it's hard. Like you can't even like stretch it. My goodness. I think I got scammed. The last one should be, it's called Purple Paradise. So yeah, and the list, it says that it's Purple Paradise. It comes with 2 aliens inside, and it's scented like strawberries. So that's gonna be a good one. Okay, so this is feels like a medium container. Oh, I mean, I already see something. Okay, so first I see my 2 aliens. But like, let's see if they glow. They definitely don't glow in the dark, but they smell weird. Okay, Now this one, I really like how it's like this. Like you could just go like this with it. I love the texture. I actually love the color. Even though it wasn't my purple color that I really wanted, it's just like a dark blue, kind of like a navy blue. It doesn't really stretch well, but I really like this anyways. I feel like there's some putty in here. I really like this slime because of the color and just like the texture, and yeah. And I love how it comes with the aliens, because then the aliens could just sit in here. I feel like this would be like a galaxy color. So yeah, I really like this one, but I'm really disappointed with the others. So yeah, I don't know what to do anymore. I'm just gonna put them back in the box and send them to her. Okay guys, so I'm going to contact her with my phone right here. Hey, you gave me the wrong ones and they weren't fluffy like I asked you. And none of them were not scented, none of them were scented terribly. Hey, she sent back. Huh? She said that these were my orders. I don't think so, honey. She said that those were my orders. Okay, first of all, those were not my orders. And then, now she's saying that there are no refunds? She scammed me. You're a scammer. I'm reporting you. Send. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, well, look what she said this time. She said, you can't report me if I'm not working here anymore. I quit my job. I'm just mad because like I didn't get all the slimes that I wanted, and my mom doesn't like let me make slimes. She only lets me order them and like get them from friends if they give me them, because a lot of my friends are nice like that. But I don't know why that happened, and I don't ever want it to happen again. Maybe Mama. Bye guys. Hi guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this skit. I only used my bad slimes because I didn't want to use my good slimes and have her have any good slimes. I just wanted one good putty / slime one that she was really happy with, which was this one. This is based off of a character named, a little girl named Susie. So yeah, and she always gets scammed with her slimes. So I just basically did this, not like to mock her or anything like that. Just like she gave me the idea. So I'm just going to give a shout out to Slimy Pandas. Go check her out. And I'm going to give a shout out to Miranda Sings, because and when Miranda Sings and JoJo Siwa do a collab, they usually do something involved with slime sometimes. And when they do it with slime, I love it because I love Miranda Sings. She is one of my top favorite YouTubers, and JoJo is my second, and then my third is Slimy Pandas. So bye guys, have a good day.